Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for best Proxy-Cheap coupon code? Well, you are in the right place. Today I'm showing you how to grab the best discount on Proxy-Cheap using an exclusive coupon code. Proxy-Cheap offers some of the most affordable and reliable proxy services, from residential to data center and mobile proxies, perfect for marketing, SEO, social media, and more. Now, why pay the full price when you can save up to 40% using a verified coupon code? Let me show you exactly how to get that deal. Step 1. Scroll down to the description box of this video. You'll find a special link that takes you directly to the Proxy-Cheap deal page. I've already handpicked the best offers for you, so no guesswork needed. Now choose any coupon code that suits you the most and click on the Get Code button. It'll instantly activate the best discount available on Proxy-Cheap. I am not showing you coupon code on the screen because Proxy-Cheap may change their coupons and websites interface time to time, but the link in description box will always provide you latest and updated coupons. Now go ahead and do a checkout on Proxy-Cheap, and boom, you're now saving money like a pro. Don't miss this. Whether you're a digital marketer, developer, or privacy enthusiast, this deal is a total win. Grab your discount now from the link in the description. And hey, if this helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more awesome